welcome back to Mama's Raising Angels. So today I'm going to take you through my brand new cloth diaper storage and setup station. So I'm not going to lie, before this I did have my cloth diapers in my daughter's pack and play, and that wasn't really working out, and I had it in just a basket, and that was annoying, and I had them in or on my table here, and there just wasn't any organization. So today I went ahead and put together a little bit of a cloth diaper storage. So this is actually pretty unique. It's not really like store-bought or anything, and it was super inexpensive. So I actually got this idea from Jay's Nest, and I love it. So all I did was put a cardboard box on, or I got a cardboard box and I cut off the flaps, and then I put a muslin blanket over it just to make it look a little prettier because I didn't have any duct tape, and that much duct tape might be a little expensive. So I do have a pretty small stash, so this works for me for now, but when I get more diapers I will be updating my cloth diaper storage. Starting over here, you can kind of see how I have my setup. This is just the corner of my living room. I have a pretty small living room. Well, it looks kind of large. That's my daughter's like main play area, my fireplace, and then just this table I have. So this table I got from Walmart for a barbecue and just to have for, I think, $30 to $40. I can't remember exactly, but it's just been sitting in the corner of my living room and I made some use out of it. So right here I folded up my Tula blanket that goes with my carrier, and I can't remember the name of the print of the carrier. I think they have names. But I just folded up that for a little extra comfort, and then I went ahead and took a $2.50 fleece blanket from Walmart, and I just went ahead and folded it into a changing pad type of shape, I guess. My daughter doesn't really roll around too much, so it's never an issue. So I have that, and then back here I have a little travel wipes container that I use for my cloth wipes. I want to get a bigger one, and I used to have a bigger one, but I don't know what happened to it.
So here I just decided to speed the video up a little bit because I was rambling on about all the things in this bucket. So there's a few little hair items and some lotions and butt creams and sunblock. But other than that, there's not much that's super interesting in here. And then I will move on to showing her shoes. And we were lucky enough that her shoes were gifted to us for the most part. 4 of these pairs of shoes were gifted to us, and the Vans that I bought her were on sale for $10.
Here is what I did today. So right here is my main stash of diapers. These are all-in-ones or fitted. And then on the end here, all of these top ones are Thirsties hemp inserts in size large. And then pumpkin butt or something, I think hemp insert. And there's a couple of random pre-folds. And then I have 2 fitteds here. Up here is a basket that holds some of my flats. I don't use a lot of flats, so I don't really keep them out that much. And then I have a Thirsties size 2 wrap, a Nicky's cover, and this is a Bum Genius pocket. I'm not a huge fan of pockets, but I do like the Bum Genius pockets okay, and this was a gift. So then right here in the middle, I just have some fleece liners that I cut up out of a blanket that is actually just like this one, but again, it was $2.50, and I was able to make like a ton of liners. I'm not sure where they all went, but that's what those are. And then I just have these wet bags. I tied their little elastic straps around them. Those were given to me for free.
So my audio apparently cuts out here, and I'm not sure where it went, but I'm going to do my best to tell you what I'm talking about in the video. So those wet bags were given to me by a lady that I bought diapers from locally. Right now I'm giving you an overview of most of my stash. There are some diapers missing because I do have a small stash. This is my Grovia 1. It's a super absorbent diaper but does have a thin layer of microfiber in it, which can be an iffy material for some people. That is in the print Soft Mint Dot. This is a Nikki's Ultimate All-in-One. I'm not sure what the print is called. It has a pink inside. This is a Thirsties Natural All-in-One in Finn, I think, the gray one, but I'm not totally positive. And then the next one is a Smart Bottoms Dream 2.0 diaper in Petite Bouquet. And this is Fantastic Hipster Fox in Smart Bottoms 3.1. This is Aqua Floral in a Smart Bottoms 3.1. This is Love My Cloth in a Bum Genius Elemental. And this is Patches in a Bum Genius Elemental, but this is the one they came out between the old one and the new one with exposed PUL and sewn elastics rather than rolled elastics. The last two on the end are a Bummies Fitted and a Snuggly Butts Fitted. You can no longer get the Snuggly Butts Fitted. The mama that made them no longer makes them. So that is kind of the overview of my cloth diaper storage and stash. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to be notified as soon as I upload. Thanks for watching.
Like a bird on a tree,